how's it going? This is Dani, the wicked awesome gardener. First and foremost, I want to apologize for not putting up my Vlogmas post last night with last night's prize winner. Crazy day. I had a holiday event singing carols and doing some scenes from a show with my theater group for a local Christmas tree lighting, and then I had to record a podcast, which more information coming out about that later this week as soon as I have the link and all the information for you guys. But I'm here. I am going to do the prize drawing tonight for the 4th and for the 5th. So we're going to get to that. But first, I want to make a very quick correction, because when I drew the prizes for the 3rd, I don't know why I mixed this up, but it's meant to be one prize from me for one person and then one prize from my sponsor for another person. So I have both of these going out to the same person, and I'm still going to do that. So you're going to get a prize from Garden State Gardener and you're going to get your prize from me, but I'm going to throw a wicked awesome gardening sticker in for a random person that I'm going to draw right now. So going back to the 3rd, we're going to draw a prize for spinning the wheel. Who's getting a sticker? And it's my Auntie Elaine. So my Auntie Elaine is going to get a wicked awesome gardening sticker in the mail from me. So, woo! Okay, now on to the prize drawing for December 4th, and let's see what the prize is. I think I'm actually going to start drawing the prizes first, because it builds a little suspense. So, for December 4th, we have hot peppers, and this is from me. So we have hot peppers, the Serrano Tempequeño, and New Mex Joe Parker hot peppers. So let's spin the wheel and see what we got. Who's it gonna be? I feel like it takes forever. Robin Mongold Sorrels, you have won hot pepper seeds. All right. Okay, let's see what we've got for December 5th. It's another sponsor day. Remember, these are randomly peppered through the calendar, so it could be any day that we get a sponsor day. So the prize that I am giving today is Little Finger Eggplant. And the sponsor for today is Welcome to My Cape Cod Life, and he is giving a Welcome to My Cape Cod Life coffee mug. So for the Little Finger Eggplant seeds, let's see who's gonna win. Who's it gonna be? C&C Farms, all right, woo! And next up, who's gonna win the mug? Let's find out. We're spinning, we're spinning. Let's see. It's McMillan's Faith and Homestead. All right. Winners, please email me at wickedawesomegardening@gmail.com so that I can have your address. If anybody is watching this and wants to be in on all the prize giving, I will be adding people to the wheel all season long, all the way up until right before the drawing for my final prize on the 24th. So what you need to do to get registered is go to the link that is in the description for this video, watch the registration video, and you need to leave a comment there. There is something in that registration video that will tell you how to get a second entry into the wheel. So go ahead, watch that. I'll see you guys in my next video, which is going to come out tomorrow. I promise. I will have the video up tomorrow as promised, and we'll see what we give away then. All right, until then, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment congratulating the winners down below. Share this video out if you'd like, if you want to get other people in on the contest, and I'll see you in my next video tomorrow. Bye-bye.